Hey guys, welcome to this new episode. Navigating the ever-changing landscape of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology can be a daunting task, even for the most experienced investors and developers. However, what if you had an AI-powered tool that could provide you with the latest information, expert analysis, and personalized insights to help you stay ahead for the curve? Today's topic, ChainGPT. It's an AI model that aims to assist with a wide range of crypto and blockchain-related tasks. ChainGPT can assist with code contracts, explain complex concepts, and answer questions, analyze markets, and much more. Now, what exactly is ChainGPT? ChainGPT is a personal expert in all crypto and blockchain-related topics. It is a powerful tool designed specifically for the blockchain technology and crypto industries. Furthermore, it leverages the latest algorithms and high-speed computing capabilities to help you with all the crypto-related issues. With its advanced features, users can easily access the knowledge and the information they need, whether they are individuals, developers, or businesses. Among its many unique features, ChainGPT offers blockchain and crypto information, a no-code smart contract generator, smart contract auditor, code debugger, code to words, documentation creator, chart analysis, and technical analysis. It also includes AML features, blockchain analytics, on-chain live data, a new source of news, and much more. This advanced AI model offers limitless use cases and can be integrated into existing applications through our SDK and API services. Furthermore, ChainGPT was founded by Ilan Rachmanov at the end of 2022. He quickly brought his idea of integrating AI with the blockchain technology to fruition with extensive research and development completed within the first few months. If you still don't understand this, let me explain this with an analogy. Think of ChainGPT as your very own superhero sidekick, like Batman's Robin or Iron Man's Jarvis. And just like a sidekick, ChainGPT has specialized knowledge and skills that can help you navigate the complex and ever-changing world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. But ChainGPT is no ordinary sidekick. It's like having a superpowered AI robot as your partner, equipped with the latest algorithms and lightning-fast computing capabilities. Whether you're an individual investor, a blockchain developer, or a crypto business owner, ChainGPT is there to provide you with the information and guidance you need to succeed. So, just like Batman relies on Robin's expertise and skills to help him fight crime and save Gotham City, you can rely on ChainGPT to help you navigate the complex world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Also, with ChainGPT's advanced features and powerful capabilities, you'll have a trusty sidekick that can help you conquer any crypto-related challenge that comes your way. So, what services does ChainGPT offer? Well, first is ChainGPT AI Chatbot. The ChainGPT AI Chatbot is a powerful conversational assistant that leverages AI technology to help individuals, developers, and businesses navigate the complexities of blockchain and crypto. The second is the DEV or the Dev Assist. Dev Assist is a browser extension that is open source and offers a comprehensive understanding of smart contract interactions. It provides the users with a visual representation of the code and its working, making it easier for both developers and non-developers to comprehend how the contracts function. The tool aids in smart contract analysis and offers a more accessible and user-friendly approach to the process. The third is AI-generated news. ChainGPT provides an innovative news service in the blockchain and crypto industry, powered by AI technology. The service automatically generates news articles to provide timely and precise information about the latest trends and developments in the sector. The fourth on the list is NFT generation. ChainGPT can also generate NFTs according to user prompts using AI algorithms. Then there is an AI training bot, which is the fifth service. The reason this trading bot is AI powered is so that it can automatically analyze market data and make trading decisions on decentralized exchanges. It is designed to maximize profits with minimizing risks, and it can make trades be executed very quickly. Finally, last on the list is ChainGPT, Layer 1 blockchain virtual machine. The ChainGPT virtual machine is a next-generation virtual machine that combines EVM capability with an on-chain AI inference. It is designed to enable the creation of decentralized AI applications on the blockchain. And now finally, let's wrap this up by looking at the CGPT token. CGPT is ChainGPT's native token. As a utility token, it's required for access to all of ChainGPT's features and is essential for DAO governance. The supply of CGPT decreases regularly through a burning mechanism. Specifically, half of all fees collected by this blockchain technology are burned, and the other half support the ecosystem. The total supply of CGPT is 1 billion tokens. Now guys, the pure fact behind the idea of ChainGPT is promising, as there is a clear need for accessible and user-friendly tools to navigate the fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. However, it is important to note that there are many other AI models and platforms that provide similar services and capabilities. Moreover, the success of ChainGPT will depend on several factors, such as the accuracy and reliability of its predictions and analyses, the usability and the accessibility of its platform, and the level of trust and adoption it can gain from its users. Therefore, it is difficult to provide a definitive conclusion on ChainGPT without a more thorough evaluation of its performance, features, and users' feedback. Ultimately, whether ChainGPT will be a valuable and effective tool for users in the crypto and blockchain industries will depend on its ability to deliver on its promises and meet the needs of its target audience. Now guys, let me know what you think about ChainGPT in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. I will be seeing you in the next episode.